Hi, welcome to Math 76, Lesson 113. In some ratio problems, a total is used as part of the calculation. Consider the problem. The ratio of boys to girls in a class was 5 to 4. If there were 27 students in the class, how many girls were there? We begin by drawing a ratio box. This time, we add a third line for the total number of students. We will use the letters B and G to represent the actual count of boys and girls. In the ratio column, we add the ratio numbers to total 9. We were given 27 as the actual count for the total number of students. We will use two of these three rows from the ratio box to write a proportion. We use the row we want to complete, and we use the row that is already complete. Since we were asked to find the actual number of girls, we will use the girls row. Since we know both totals, we will also use the total row, and then we solve the ratio by setting up a proportion. Now, looking at the proportion, we have 4 girls to a total of 9. And then we have girls over a total of 27 students. 9 times girls equals 4 times 27. And then we take G equals 108 divided by 9. There we see that G equals 12. So we have taken 4 times 27 and divided it by 9, and that will give us what G equals. The ratio of football players to band members on the football field was 2 to 5. Altogether, there were 175 football players and band members on the football field. How many football players were on the field? We use the information in the problem to make a table. We include a row for the total. The ratio number for the total is 7. So we have 2 football players to 5 band members, which totals 7. Next we write, we were given a total of 175 for all football player and band members on the field. Next we write a proportion using the 2 rows of the table. We were asked to find the number of football players. So we use the total row and we use the football players row. Then we solve the proportion. So here we have 2 football players to a total of 7, and we have F to represent football players and 175. We see that 7 times F equals 2 times 175. So then 2 times 175 is 350. We take 350 divided by 7. So F equals 350 divided by 7, which equals 50. So again, we've taken 2 times 175 and divided it by 7 to solve for F. Doing that, we find that there were 50 football players on the field. Okay, and that is all of our lesson for today. I'll see you tomorrow.